Welcome back, the new guardian. Well done.
Thank you, priestess. But where is Obinna?
He is protecting the villagers.
Let's go help him.
No!
Did we win?
Yes, because of you. Obinna, don't do us. He has journeyed on, my child. Let him rest.
Obinna, I miss you so much. Why did you have to leave me? My heart is shattered without you. You promised forever. Obi, in my heart, this is goodbye.
Bye, beautiful Oma.
You carry both worlds now.
I know. I am ready if it ever rises again.